In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment to your Hubspot website and account. This process is simple and straightforward, and in just a few minutes you'll have a new payment option set up seamlessly. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. This is your gateway to managing various aspects of your business with ease and efficiency. Once you're there, you'll notice a prominent login button, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. Logging in grants you access to your personalized dashboard where all your HubSpot tools are readily available. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home. This is your control center, a space where you can access all the operational aspects of your HubSpot account. Take a moment to appreciate how everything is organized here for optimal productivity. This structure allows you to find what you need without hassle. Now, with the homepage loaded, the next step is to navigate to the Commerce section. It is here where you handle all your business transactions. Simply click on Commerce and it will take you to a section specifically dedicated to the monetary aspects of your services and products. Here you can check past transactions, manage orders, and more. Once you've entered the Commerce section, the next logical step is to click on Payments. The Payments tab is crucial. It's where you will set up new payment methods or modify existing ones. Clicking on this tab opens up your payment portal where you can streamline the process of receiving funds. Now, to finalize your payment setup, you will want to choose the option that says Set up Payments. This option is designed to help you configure new payment channels directly through your HubSpot account. By clicking Set up Payments, you will be guided through a straightforward setup process. This feature enables you to easily add a preferred payment gateway such as credit card processing or direct bank transfers depending on your business needs. As you complete each of these steps, be sure to tap into each section's resources. HubSpot often provides tips and additional support throughout the setup process, assisting you in optimizing your payment setup quickly and efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively added a payment option to your HubSpot website and account, ensuring a smooth transaction experience for both you and your customers. Remember, HubSpot is designed to support you every step of the way, often with real-time help and FAQs at your fingertips. With your new payment setup, you're now ready to manage transactions with enhanced efficiency and control. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using HubSpot effectively.